All right, everybody, just all right, got our scalp there, holding this a little bit. This is the end of that move. Expecting this is at least going to pull back to the EMA here. Could be wrong, but this is the end of that move. We could be in for a big runner here. So let's just see what happens. This approaches the EMA. If we can get this to approach the EMA, I will pull my uh, stop up. Let's see, maybe we'll get a lower high. Be kind of surprised the way this is printing if this just zoomed up through that. That's pretty, you got two legs up here. We'll see. Stranger things have happened. So we're still in profit, even if it comes up and hits our runner. So we'll see what happens. I'm hoping this is going to want to push down here, though. Get a lower high, maybe start pushing down. So we'll see. Sometimes this acts goofy and keeps going, but we'll see. I'll throw my target just like down in here. That would be a nice runner if we got it. Let's see. I didn't like this, but once this eclipsed this and went back up again and then closed really strongly, I thought, well, we'll at least get, this is at least going to move down here something. For some reason, it wants to hold this. This could just be the buyers, um, just resisting temporarily. Let's see what happens. This downtrend, I'm sorry, I'm looking at the other screen. This downtrend is pretty huge. So this could be two legs. They're kind of thin, but could be two legs for us. Let's see what happens if we can start dumping down here through the EMA. If it doesn't hold, we could get a nice runner here. But I'm willing to hold this 4 points, which would be $200, and we already got what, I don't know, four something. So we're still in positive, even if this thing would pop up here. But I'm looking for this runner to come down. This would be a nice runner for this downtrend. Let's see, hoping we'll run out of steam here. So I'm gonna turn the mic off. We'll just watch it for now. All right, so I decided to move my runner up here just to protect it now. If this would some reason fail and push back up, then this is probably going to get taken out. So I just moved my runner up here just to uh this protect the stop. I'm hoping this just starts to collapse now here. It's a very strong bearish bar down. So we'll just try to maybe, here's the target. We'll just try to maybe manage it. If this keeps going down now, we'll try to manage it off major swings. Hopefully this doesn't pop back up here and take this out. So hopefully we start to just dump here. That would be my hope. With this new low here in place, we want to see this start to go down here, not bounce back up here. All right, so hits our runner there. Um, I ended up having it moved up to, so I ended up getting basically a full trade on that. That's too bad. I'm still expecting that this will come down, but you just never know what prices are going to do, so you just have to manage your runner appropriately. You don't want to leave this all the way up here and, the thing for some reason ends up popping up here and maybe it wants to retest the overnight low or something. And so I was hoping that we'd start to just come down here. And, it may have hit me by whatever, a tick or something, and this may just keep dumping down. But, um, you know, that's uh, that's just life in trading. So first I had my stop up here to see if we could get some follow through. Then when we got this nice pin barish lower high, tightened it up again. And then, once we got this, I didn't want to tighten it up here because maybe you're getting some kind of range or something. But once we came down here, then I moved it up so that I would get my full my my full position that I would normally take on a trade.